Today we've got a 2014 Toyota Rav4 Limited. We'll be doing a maintenance light reset for you. So get the ignition to the on, and we're going to want to make sure that we are on trip A here. Once you get it to trip A, turn the ignition back off. You're going to need to hold the display button while you turn the key back to the on position. So I'm going to hold that display button and then turn it to the on position, and you'll see the dashes do a countdown. Once the countdown is over, the maintenance light is reset.